Hi everyone, Chrissy here from Color Street with another video. This one is teaching you how to keep your inventory very quickly. So this app down here called Orca Scan, the yellow O, you can go ahead and click on that, download that in the App Store, and you can keep all of your inventory in here pretty easily, and it is also searchable. If you click on the cloud up here, you can actually sync between your devices, but I just leave it on device while I'm on my phone. And then you can actually type in the search box, you can type in the barcode, you can scan a barcode to see how many you have in stock. So let me go ahead and do that to just show you. Sometimes you need your flashlight on, sometimes you don't. As you can see, it says 0 items. So I'm actually going to be in the process of adding this item in right now. And you can also search by the item number, and you can search by the name depending on how you put it in. So I put in Dune and it's not there. So we're going to go ahead and back out of here, and we're going to hit scan. We're going to add an item in. And going to go ahead and scan it. As you can see, the barcode up top says FMS114, which is the barcode on the back of the product. And then in the name, you want to go ahead and type in how you dune. I like to type it in exactly how they have it, just because I'm a little bit particular and I just want to know when I'm searching for it, how I'm searching. And then I also like to put a description in there, maybe like a deep pink metallic color, something like that. So that way, if I need to check what the customer tells me that they want to see all my pinks, I can search the word pink, and then everything in my inventory is going to come up, and I'll be able to quickly tell them, okay, I have 2 How You Dunes, 2 Wing It Ons, whatever the case is. And then the date, I just save the way it is, and I hit save and close. Now, right at this moment, you can actually add extra inventory right there. But I'm just going to show you what happens once maybe you only have one today, and then in a few days you get another one in the mail. So you would just go ahead and scan the second one that you have. And the minute I scan it, you can see it went ahead and it changed my quantity from 1 to 2. So once you actually get your initial items put in here, it's going to be very easy to go ahead and go back and add them in. So you just hit save and close. So the next question would probably be, well, Chrissy, some of these items do not have a barcode on the back. So we'll show you that right here. You can see Wing It On doesn't have any barcode on the back. I do have one with a barcode that I'm going to show you in 1 second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to manually put this in, and I'm going to use that FDS576 number, because that is the item number. And I'll show you what happens. So we're going to hit cancel, and we're going to hit the plus sign in the upper left. And in barcode, I'm going to type in that FDS576. Oops. And then I'm going to type in the name exactly how it appears on the product. Wing It On. And like I said, I like to do a little description. Duochrome. Butterfly. Pink to orange rust, I'll just say, because those are a couple of keywords that I'm going to search for my customers. You put whatever you like in there. So save and close. And now, as you will see on my second one, the barcode is there. And it found it because I went ahead and I manually typed in that FDS576. And once I was able to have one that did have a barcode on the back, it still matched up. So that's why it's important to go ahead and use that number. And you might as well use it to your advantage. I know that some of them don't have the barcodes on the back, but a lot of them do. So that's it. This is my system for storing my inventory. It may seem a little crazy, but I had an Excel sheet, and then I was at my work computer and I couldn't always get to it. And then I had it in my planner, and sometimes I would be laying in bed at 10 o'clock at night and somebody would ask me what I had, and I didn't want to go down and get it. So to me, this was just the easy. Okay, so really quickly, another thing I just wanted to mention in here that I didn't mention in the original video, this is like an add-on. When you first download this app, it's going to have barcode and name, and it's not going to have description down there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just be in your list anywhere and click on one of the items. So in other words, here I have Charleston blush. You can see the barcode number is there. If I add any, if I sell them, I can go ahead and delete one and save it. Under description, on the little settings item to the right, you just hit that settings, and you're going to edit this field. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make this searchable in the list. Down at the bottom, you can see that's on now. When you first download the app, that's going to be off. And the reason I turn it on is because you can see I write in here if it's a pink, if it's a solid, and then if it's a cream or a shimmer, if it's a Halloween set, an awareness set, whatever. And I also write down the price. So that way, when you go into your list, you can search everything for $11. That will come up. You can search every cream that will come up, every shimmer that you have, and so on and so forth. So to me, it's just a lot easier to quickly find and then possibly help a customer out that says, okay, well, I'm only looking for reds, and then you can kind of go through that way. If there's anything else I think of, I'll leave it in the description below. The only other thing I was thinking is you can actually add in fields. So you can turn this into basically like an inventory for anything, your customers, whatever. If you hit that settings thing again, you can add a field, and then you can call this field name whatever, and then the data type, as you can see, auto increasing numbers, emails, a drop-down list of some kind. I mean, really the possibilities are endless for this app. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one.